This bundle pairs a full high-definition pan-tilt zoom camera with 20 times optical zoom and clean color reproduction with a dedicated hardware controller, giving small teams a very polished production toolkit out of the box. The camera's artificial intelligence tracking reliably keeps a presenter framed as they move, even when people briefly pass in front, which is a big help for churches, classrooms, and hybrid meetings without a dedicated operator. Multiple connection options over high-definition multimedia interface, universal serial bus, and network with power over Ethernet make it easy to drop into existing switchers or software setups, like Open Broadcaster Software or vMix, without fussy adapters. The joystick keyboard offers smooth, precise control with a 4-dimensional stick and real-time screen preview, so you can recall presets and adjust pan, tilt, and zoom on the fly with confidence. Compatibility with common conferencing platforms and live streaming tools, plus support for multi-camera workflows, means this kit can grow with more cameras instead of being a dead-end purchase. Solid cross-platform support, flexible mounting hardware, and a multi-year warranty with ongoing technical help make it a reassuring choice for organizations that need dependable, long-term use.